So what are some of the, key things or key elements that people should highlight in the about section that's like more catchy and more kind of engaging for people?
Well, number one is make sure that you have background information. Tell people where you came from, what you've done in the past. You also want to know how people can learn more about your products and services. You want people to know who you help and how you help them. You want to make sure that you put some accomplishments that you've had in the past. I published 5 books, and my books in high energy networking and high energy marketing and high energy purpose. And I tell people about that. Sometimes people recommend having a testimonial. You could also link to your other social media profiles. If you want people to visit you on Instagram, let people know that you have an Instagram and what it is. If you want people to email you, put your email in there. There's a lot of different ways that you can get people to connect with you.